In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a workspace on Trello step by step. If you're managing multiple boards, collaborating with a team, or organizing different projects, creating a workspace is the best way to keep everything structured in one place. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish, so you can set it up in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello guides. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com, then log into your account. Once you're inside Trello, navigate to any board and make sure you're in the Kanban view. This is the default board layout where you see your lists and cards organized in columns. Starting from a board makes it easier to create and connect your workspace properly. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct board that you want associated with your new workspace. Next, look toward the top area of your Trello interface and click on the Create button. When you click Create, a drop-down menu will appear with different options. From this menu, select the option that says Create Workspace View. This is what allows you to group multiple boards together under one shared workspace environment. After clicking Create Workspace View, Trello will prompt you to enter a title. Go ahead and type in the name of your workspace. Choose something clear and descriptive, such as Marketing Team, Client Projects, Content Planning, or Company Operations. A well-named workspace makes it easier for you and your team members to identify its purpose right away, especially if you plan to create multiple workspaces in the future. Once you've added the title, you'll see an option to select the boards you want to include. Click on the drop-down menu and choose the specific boards that should be part of this workspace. You can add one board or multiple boards depending on your needs. For example, you might include a content calendar board, a task management board, and a planning board all inside one workspace. Selecting the right boards ensures everything related to that project or department stays organized together. After selecting your boards, the next step is to choose the members you want to include in the workspace. You'll see an option to add team members from your Trello contacts. Simply select the people who should have access. This is especially useful if you're collaborating with coworkers, freelancers, or clients. Adding members at the workspace level makes it easier to manage permissions across all included boards, instead of inviting people one board at a time. Finally, once you've entered the workspace name, selected your boards, and added your members, click on Create View. Trello will instantly generate your new workspace and organize the selected boards within it. Just like that, your workspace is ready to use. You can now manage projects more efficiently, collaborate with your team, and keep everything centralized. And that's how you create a workspace on Trello step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.